Alright, you guys, we're gonna make some slime today. Avery did his own hair just to get in the video. Look. Alright, so Avery's making the blue one right here. Ma, you can't be doing that in the video.
Oh my god, Ma.
Really,
Hurry
Mira?
up, Ma. Dime.
Go outside.
Now you just ruined my whole video, Ma.
It's fine, that happens. I turned out her.
Oh my god, my mom in the background with her phone. Okay.
Oh my god.
Avery making some blue slime right here. So, Sydney, can I pour this already inside there?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is water with borax. And it's already ready. So, I'm going to pour in the blue. Hold it up a little bit like this so you can see. Don't drop it in. And then we just pour it inside here, Sydney?
Yeah.
Alright, look, I'm going to pour
and
it.
mix it.
There you go.
Start mixing it.
Alright, now mix
till it
Avery.
gets
Now put it
sticky.
down here. We're going to mix you guys, alright?
To get sticky.
To get sticky.
It's already a little
It's
bit.
sticking. Look, you see that? You're getting slime.
You have to make sure it's not like really a little bit white spots.
Yeah, what he said. Let me help you mix it. Cindy, show him what you're doing. What you doing? You got
I'm making the other batch. Putting.
This is not cookies.
Yes, it is. It's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Other batch.
Okay,
Batch
yeah,
goes
yeah,
for
I'm
many
okay.
things. You just put 1 cup of water and then a whole. What is
Baby,
it?
me déjalo
Elmer's
bien.
glue.
Se va a tirar todo esto.
And you just mix it so there's no more glue clumps.
Okay. And over here we have Didi, Edith, my other sister. You say hi, Didi.
Hi.
Show them what you're making.
I'm mixing the borax and water.
Okay. Good job. Can you give me a piece of paper if I can put this down?
Just put it right
Oh,
here.
never mind. Just got it. Okay. So I got nothing to do, Cindy.
You can keep making this one.
You gonna make more because we need to make more colors.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
We gotta
Put,
make
put
it.
more water right here with some borax.
Borax.
Hey, babe, we don't need none of that unnecessary stuff in the video, please. Thank you, Abby. Can you close my mom's door too? Because we're not trying to hear her conversation. Thank you. So yeah, you guys, this is slime for Abby's project. He has to sell slime at school, right? Abby, tell him about it.
Basically, before you track into school, you have to make like this project, something 10 times. And
10 items we can sell it at school.
No, the same thing.
10 items. That's 10 items right there. You just sell it at school and then you buy it with some fake money, school money.
I know.
Show them what you got.
When
Show the
you
video what you got.
when you're mixing borax and water, make sure you put 1 cup of borax and mix it until you don't see any more borax.
Wow.
Hey, throw this in trash.
When is this supposed to be ready, Lou? Just glue and water. Cindy, do I keep mixing this or what is this?
After you put this in there, you let it.
No,
sit.
this.
You
Cindy, is
put
this
four
good
4 drops of color.
All right, I'm gonna pour
Let's
it.
do red.
Is this good enough?
Oh, that's not red, baby. That's blue. That's green. You have.
No.
You say you want a red. That's
Is
not
this
red.
good
That's
enough?
green.
Oh. Hey, pass the red.
All right, I'm gonna show them.
Is this ready?
Four
No, it has to dissolve.
4 drops of red coloring. That's 3. One more. Yeah, that's 4.
See, look, it's already
And then you
getting.
mix
Look,
it.
it's already getting.
This looks nasty.
You just let that sit for 30
Wait, I
minutes.
wanna
You let it
Look at
sit
that.
for 30 minutes, Amy.
Let it sit there.
take out the spoon.
Mm.
It's
Vas a tirar algo ahí en la mesa. Vas a ser cochinero. Luego no hace que limpiarlo.
leave that there. Cindy, don't. Who we gonna use anymore? Oh, we're gonna get more. What color? Potatoes?
Yeah, we need more containers.
No.
I need some water and some borax on here. Or what? Right?
Yeah.
Do we use this?
Is Diddy's ready?
After more of the
Do we use this, Cindy?
Yeah, you can use that one. That one's raggedy.
What do I put in here? Water?
And glue.
1 cup, 1 whole cup of water.
And I'll put the glue over here.
How much? Like up to right here?
No, the whole thing.
The whole 1 cup is the whole thing. To the top.
To. Like this?
Is my mom gonna come in the video or no? She just ruined like the beginning of my
Yeah,
video.
she really did. Right after we had
Is
everything
that
set.
Cindy?
Yeah.
Alright, bring it over here.
Oh, we need glue.
Yeah, we're gonna put glue.
We put the
So
whole.
we got 1 cup of water in the container, and then we're gonna put a whole bottle of glue. Look at that.
You can use
Oh,
5.
watch out, you're gonna spill it everywhere.
You can use 5 bottles of glue to make 10. You can split the 10.
What?
Maybe like that? Like that?
Rápido, vas a cocinar tú.
Yeah.
Okay, do I pour this into Louis?
Pass me.
Yeah, you go
Alright,
pour,
baby,
go pour that into.
pour it here.
go
Pass
pour
me
that
the
into
spoon.
Somebody grab the glue bottle right here.
That.
Grab it here,
Your
Tanisha.
spoon melted in.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't say that. Alright, so this is done. Dee Dee's water with borax is done, so I'm gonna pour it inside here.
Now mix it.
Here you go, Dee Dee. And then we're just gonna mix it. Ooh, it's slimy, Cindy.
Your spoon is buttery.
Buttery. Boy. Look at this. It's getting hard quick. Look at this one, Cindy.
Yeah.
This one's getting hard quick.
Cindy, so I mix
Then you
it.
gotta let it sit for 30 minutes. 30 minutes or so.
Yes, master.
You're supposed to school words. Which one's that one? That one's gonna be.
This doesn't even look red. It looks like
No,
pink.
this is
Can I
gonna
put
be green.
one? I'm gonna put
This
more
is gonna
color.
be green.
Why don't you just leave it pink and get the other one red?
No, if he don't want pink, he's not gonna sell no pink slime.
I like red.
Yeah, I'm telling you, he's like red. So I'll put like what, 4 more drops in the container because we didn't want no pink slime. We want red slime. Bloody red.
Like this, Cindy.
There you go.
No, mix it more.
Is there any container?
The
For what?
dumb deal.
Look, now it's looking more red.
Tiny one.
Kind of looks orange a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The video looks orange, but it's freaking red. My eyes see red.
Yeah, I see red up here, but orange up here.
Okay.
Why is that making bubbles?
You're not gonna be in my video next time. You're being too rude.
Like
You're
this,
out.
Cindy?
Says the one that was using inappropriate language.
Cindy, like this?
That's amazing.
Cindy, like this?
Listen to
Yeah.
Avy, please.
Yes, Avery.
Then I put how much?
What is yellow and
Cindy, is this
yellow and
the
green
big
make?
Yellow and green. Yellow and green. Doesn't that make like
Pass me
Oh
the
no,
green.
put yellow and red. That makes
orange?
orange.
This
That
is
makes
the
orange,
only
yeah.
one
I don't know what yellow and green
I
is.
don't know either.
I don't know
Maybe
either,
a
but,
light green. Maybe
For,
a light green.
for
Yeah.
this and for this.
Does it make brown?
Louis,
Um,
Louis, do I put for
it
this?
might make light green.
It might make like brown.
Cindy, so I'll put
No,
for
I don't
this and
know.
for this.
Yes.
Oh well, the world will never know.
Yeah. And
Or at least this guy turned a lot of orange.
No.
That's really sticky.
yeah, so this one.
Do I pour this in?
I'm gonna need a napkin for this. This is nasty.
Get a napkin to eat. Floyd.
Okay.
Please.
Thank you, Avery.
Welcome. Hey, look. Look, look.
Keep mixing it.
Mix it. Avery's gonna make some orange slime.
What?
He makes some red with yellow. That makes it orange, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I think
It's
so.
It's turning like red.
Because you gotta keep mixing it.
Yeah, I know. That was more red than this one. This is so pink.
Oh, wait. Do I pour this whole thing in?
Yeah. Now it's looking orange.
Oh, now it is. Ooh, you gonna be selling that one for real, Avery. A lot of people wanna
For
buy that
real,
one.
that
Why am I
neon
making
yellow.
bubbles?
Because
Everybody-
it makes bubbles.
Everybody's gonna want to buy that one. Avery, you're dropping everything on the table. You're gonna make a big mess. I'm just gonna get mad.
Yeah, she
Let me
will
see.
kick us out the kitchen. She gonna make us wash the dishes.
For real. Do I let it sit now or do I keep on
You,
mixing
you
it?
let it sit now.
Alright, let it
For
sit with
30
me.
minutes.
I'm gonna let this red slime sit
The
right
blue
next to
one is
me.
almost ready.
You let it sit.
Yep, just let it sit. Sit on the.
Wait, do
On
I
the
check
chair.
if this one's almost ready?
That one needs a few more.
That one's almost ready.
Alright. We need
You
You
want
want
to
me to
help
start
me mix?
another one?
yeah, we need another one. Start another one. Give me
Here,
some.
mix this
I
one.
need some water right here with
Mix
some
this one right
water.
now.
Look, who put glue on the table?
Not me. Mix this one for right now.
Okay. Go put more water right here.
How much up to right
A
here?
cup. What her name? Cindy said
A
one
cup.
cup.
1 cup. Put in here. Half a cup. Or
In here. In here you put 1 cup in here.
Let me see this.
There's
Wait.
supposed to be extra water.
is that the
It's supposed to be extra water?
Yeah, you just spill that out.
Oh, okay. I'm about to say, then we messed up. We done messed up.
The Mr. Aaron.
My name's not A.
Come on, Bill. Okay, bring the water over here.
Blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we. How about blue and green?
Look, flick the wrist.
Wait,
What does blue and green make?
Look at the wrist.
What does blue and green make?
Let's find out. It probably makes like.
Blue and green?
Yeah.
That's a hard thing. I don't know. We need to
Let's
go back to
find
school.
out. Yeah, for real.
Go back to
Can
high
you put your
school.
phone, Cindy, Google it, please? Because
Bro, what does
we're looking
blue,
real dumb
what
right
does
now.
blue and green make?
And yellow and what was it that you said?
Yellow and red.
Green that you said. Yellow and green that you said.
What does blue and green make?
This looks like a cloud.
Dang. Ooh, teal.
Ooh.
Hey, I'm gonna do teal.
Hey, no, not yet. No, we'll
Yeah, we'll
make
make
it teal.
wait.
yellow and green.
What does yellow and red make? Oh wait, never mind. Just kidding. It was green and yellow. My bad.
Yellow and red.
What does yellow and green make? Yeah, it was yellow and green.
You said red and.
Yeah. I told you a light green.
I thought it was like brown. Never mind. I didn't go back to
Brown is like all the colors. Oh wait, no, that's black.
school. That's black.
All the colors mixed
All the
together.
colors black.
No, actually, I tried that and it came out like brown.
Gray.
Yeah, it came out like grayish.
I think we're done with this. We need some borax in my red
I thought it was orange.
Put this in.
Oh
my-
yeah, this is orange. Never mind. I'm so sorry. This is not ready though. Oh, sorry.
Here, Cindy, put this in the trash. Trash.
Ooh, look,
Now we already
see?
put the borax in
Look,
here and the orange one.
Look, I told you.
What?
This, it's the solution. This only makes it sticky.
And then we can just mix it.
Look,
let it
look
sit.
at the
We're
blue.
gonna whisk it,
Is this ready, Cindy?
and then let it sit for 30 minutes. Look at that.
Let's
Yeah.
So I'll pour in the color.
so wait, what?
Oh,
what colors have
damn,
we,
spilled it.
So red and blue? Have we did
Yeah.
that?
Sit down, sit down. You.
What's
Mm,
what? Cindy,
You're
what,
making.
Cindy, what does red and blue make?
Purple. That's
Aquella, suerte que ella andaba no ahí.
Mom, we can't have that in the video.
No tan.
You already talking about idea. We can't have that sweat in the soda.
Yeah, Ma, you're making us like look bad.
You wanna be in the video too? Say hi to my video.
Hi. What's this line?
Say that this is orange. We're gonna just mix it.
¿Lo cocino así?
No cocinarlo, just mix it.
I see, Mom. Eat it.
Didi, tell them what you're making. Tell them your green slime.
I'm making the teal. It's mixed yellow.
That looks like
and-
green.
Is it yellow and
Como
green?
mocos.
Yeah, it's yellow and green.
Yellow and green, okay.
We're gonna make what? Blue? Blue and red?
Ma, ¿qué color es, Amy?
No,
Yours is
you're-
orange,
Amy,
Mom.
you're gonna make blue and green.
Eddie, pass me the green. Wait, Eddie, what
Adi made
Teal. She
I'm
made that
making
teal.
teal.
no, she made green.
She put green and yellow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
green and yellow's light green.
You said teal, whatever.
Teal is the blue and the.
¿Cuál tío? Ese
Wheel.
es verde.
Wheel!
Mamá said teal. So Avi gonna make
Like
it
this,
too?
Cindy?
Blue and green?
Cindy,
Yeah.
like this?
A ver, ¿cómo se
Yeah,
ve
I
esto?
put the green
There's
in.
nothing, I just water with glue.
¿Cómo se hace duro?
Okay, Avi, now go. Put some green in there. We're gonna make blue and green together. Look at that.
Did we already do purple?
No, we don't know how to make purple.
Purple is blue and red.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Oh, look. Look,
Keep
Cindy.
mixing it. Keep mixing
This
it.
looks like less space.
What makes
Yeah.
violet?
Mira cómo se mira el mío
Oh, that
orange.
was nice.
Hey!
¿Por qué este
Oh,
tiene más
mine's
mucho que
making
aquel?
like dark green.
¿Cuál? This is too much.
It did. It hasn't put in the borax yet.
¿Cuál?
And that it did. We need to mix this real quick. I'll
Yeah.
whisk it.
I need to put my borax in it.
Did you put on the timer?
We don't need a time.
Espérate, ahora.
We got our minds to be
Mira.
the timer.
Is
Una
the
mixer,
blue almost
parece
ready?
The cake mixer? Oh my god, you can't do that. And that's gonna be all in the
That's gonna be gross.
mixer, Mom. Oh my
Why?
god.
And then that's gonna like go everywhere. You gonna clean it up, Ma?
I know you hair.
Do I put one more drop to make it lighter?
No.
Yeah, I put yellow.
Avi, don't whisk it too hard. You're gonna spill on the table.
Yeah.
Or should I do
Mira, mira lo que estás haciendo. Mira mi mano.
¿Qué
Mira.
estás haciendo el video?
Mira, mira. Abra ahí la mano.
A ver, ¿qué es eso? Ya no.
Yeah, he's putting air in her clothes.
Look, we can't have that in the video.
You guys are
Avi,
necessary. Oh my god.
Menea despacito. Menea despacito. ¿Cómo se hace? No sé.
Yeah, you
A
just
ver,
let
Mama.
it sit them out. Let it sit there for 30 minutes. It has to sit right next to your 30 for 30 minutes.
Ya tiene white, mira.
No, just leave it like that. Pues mira. Mira cómo está este.
Look at esta,
Yeah.
Ma. That one's almost ready.
Mira, como esta, esa neck.
It's not.
Mom, we can't do that.
It's not a C. It's a C.
Damn, I hate this neck.
Twice.
Tiene bola, mira.
It's a C, Ma.
Ma, that's turning into slime.
Yo no miré eso. ¿Lo dejo así?
Yeah, just let it sit there. It has to sit next to you. Ya no sé, el
Mom.
right next to you.
Aquí no cabe.
Then maybe we can get
Y menea eso, tiene blanco abajo. Menea.
Yeah, you need to mix it. It has more glue in the bottom.
Do I put the. Ma, put it esta,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mira eso, Abraham.
I can mix it. No.
Despacito.
Yeah, and mi mamá needs more. Cindy, we need
For what?
Contact solution.
Is that all the glues?
Whatever you want to say, all this mamada. See, I'm going to
Nah, you
Different-
can't say Mama like that video.
different colors. Yeah.
The glue.
Different colors. I like
There's
that.
nothing in there.
I like the
That
pink.
kind of looks.
Put a
Maybe.
bit more blue in there.
Everyone's
Let me see.
gonna be coming.
I do.
I do.
I do.
No.
AB,
I need some
Did you already do your poster? That did your
Eddie,
son
calm down.
sign?
We're doing glue right now.
We're doing glue right now, okay?
I mean slime.
Oh, it's like.
Let me get her.
Let's add a little bit more green. Probably that, right?
Tell me to pour it in there.
I already know how to make glue.
No cucharada?
Así, ma. Mira. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
This thing is light already.
Este es para las
Look,
gelatinas.
it still has some green stuff
That's
and it makes it a
not
little more.
jalatina.
rojo? ¿Qué hicieron rojo?
We made it's this supposed to be red, but it turned out to be pink.
Ponle más rojo, por eso. Oh, pero está muy así pink para las niñas. Pues tiene que ser panilla, eso en la... No me hagas tú.
You have two greens.
No, this is dark green.
Esto es blue, ¿no?
Green.
It's teal, ma. That's not green. That's teal.
Así ya amarra.
You put a lot.
Pues sí, porque parece como aquel.
Look, Cindy.
Dale.
Show everybody.
Chuca. Ya ve, este es otro color, mira. Parecía como green, mira.
This looks like teal.
Mira, ese es duro. ¿Cuál tío?
That looks like, see? It looks like teal.
¿Cuál? ¿Cuál tío? ¿De Gustavo?
Teal, not seal. You don't know
Muy bien.
anything.
O tu tío
Like
Miguel.
this,
Oh wait, no, there's still
O tu
white.
tío. ¿Cuál tío? Tiene muchos tíos.
Just leave it like that. Don't answer that question.
¿No más tú allá, Cindy?
That's it. That's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, mine has
5, and then split in 2 of them in half, and then makes 10.
I'm gonna put a little bit more. 1.
Ya no.
Sí, no, lo vamos a amarrar.
You're gonna waste all the food color, and then we're not gonna wait 100 more to cook.
Con la comida.
We don't use that for food.
Yeah, you do. You use that for food, AB. It's called food coloring.
It's not for food
¿Dónde
though.
ahí? Se tiran ahí para comprar más, ¿eh?
Mommy makes green spaghetti with that.
¿La buena que sí?
That way the spaghetti is green.
¿Pero qué es lo más de los suyos?
Chini, my part is this not dissolving. This is borax.
Boy,
Where who in the deeds?
So it can be.
In the deeds? Because the deeds already
no,
have.
do it mine. Do it to mine.
Okay, I'm gonna pour in.
There's a
Put it
bit of
on.
water
Put it
in
on. The
Looks like
borax
Nickelodeon's one.
and the teal slime.
No sé qué jabón hace que te haga así.
There you go. Now mix it.
No sabía eso.
This is a big slime. So I'm
No,
gonna-
it's not a big slime. It's the same amount as the other one. The other one's just like bigger. Container is bigger, not slime.
Oh yeah, it just looks like
No,
big,
this is
but
a
it's
lime.
actually a little. I'm not jelly.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Andy, you need to mix that.
Can I mix it with my hands?
Yo no hace video.
Don't mix it.
I don't know. I think the max we can do is like 39 minutes, I guess.
39 1.
There you go.
Hurry up, because we're gonna make some cookies after this.
¿Sí puedo comer esto?
You can't eat that.
How are you gonna eat it if it's a
Así me
project?
Oh my god.
¿No?
Look,
Mira, vas
Mira,
a cocinar.
mira. Quédate por allá, por favor.
this is not your project though, Ma.
That's a neck.
Clap back.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. They're ruining my video. I know. Oh, is this ready already, Cindy? Look at that.
Hey, grab it
Look at
with your hand
Ooh.
and see if it's ready.
Did I make a mess?
Can't we?
Mix it.
Oh, what, mix it?
Can we
No,
mix?
it's
Oh, I
not
was like,
gonna
what? Damn, but you
I
can't
said,
mix it.
you
Okay.
need to set it beside you, ¿no dijiste?
I wanna
No.
mix this with my hands.
Ma, you can't mix it no more. You said, Cindy said it. Let it sit.
Sí, le echaste mamada aquí adentro. ¿Es un día echaste más acá?
Yeah,
Sí le echó más. De ese Borex. ¿Cómo se llama? Mira, ahora vamos a echar todo
This
eso.
video's not
Mira,
gonna get no likes.
mira, mira, hablar, mira.
Try to take this
Ahora
off.
le pongo espagueti, mira. Ayúdame, fíjate, vas a llenar la mesa.
It looks like some sort of chicken.
Next time, I'm just gonna hang my phone like right here.
Mira, parece chicle eso.
I can't even get this thing off.
I want to make this with my hands because I want to play with it.
¿Te van a mixer, Cindy?
A mixer?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to mix it like that one.
Can we mix it with our hands?
Go
No.
Yeah. No, don't worry. I'm not going to be. It's not
Pero
gonna
un
be
rato, vas a hacer
Ma, can you put my sleeve up?
Okay, I got it.
I got it.
You, oh my god, you like all like this in the video.
I'm gonna mix with my hand.
With my bare hands.
Bare hands, using my bare hands.
Cindy. Oh my god, dang, the camera just fell down. You see that?
You just.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You dropped the skin.
Let me pull a pause.
Y eso tiene que mixearlo. Mira, mira.